How's it going, guys? Let's go. Hope your fishing's going good. Hope y'all catching them. Hope y'all catching giants. It's a beautiful November, man. I hope y'all having a great week and a great month. This fishing video is a good one, man. It's a special one for me. I've never caught a fish this rare, I want to say. It's a super cool fish. Hope y'all stick to the end to watch it completely. But I want to thank y'all for subscribing. Up to 50 subscribers, man. Let's go. We're halfway there. We're trying to get to 100. Y'all keep pushing that like button. Y'all keep seeing these videos. I appreciate every single watch. Appreciate every single subscriber. This fish, man, is super dope. It's a nighttime fishing video, so it's gonna be half dark. Hope y'all fuck with it. Hope y'all like it. My fault. Didn't mean to cuss there, but yeah. Y'all give this video a like. Super rare fish. Missouri River fishing, guys. Let's go.
Them float rigs, I thought, which one would I do it on? I got one on here. I'll probably do it on here. But I got tired of the long cord wrapping around both these.
Yeah.
So I'm about to try it where I do this just to here, and that guy floats.
Okay.
I used to fish really ghetto and I don't want to try shit up, but I still caught fish. And then now I'm trying different things I see online. I'm like, bro, I don't know.
I feel you though.
It's actually like
that? Yeah, the one that go like that.
When I was over at Anchor Inn, they straight up, the dudes bought he bought 3 and 2 and there was only leaving 1.
Yeah.
And I got like the 2 metal ones you're about to see me use now.
Yeah, yeah. I like to fish with bells.
Hey, you brought that little orange one or me?
Yeah, so.
There ain't nothing on it.
Something's hitting it though. It's taking it that way. Something's got it. I'm gonna reel down. Came out the mouth again. Oh, that might be fish on. a gar. It's a big gar.
Oh, no.
Oh, what is that? That's a sturgeon, dude.
Oh, it is.
It's a big ass padded sturgeon.
Shit.
Oh shit, dude.
Grab it.
Can you shine a light? Oh fuck. Can you bring your light? That big light?
Oh my god, bro, that's a good one, homie.
Holy shit.
It's like albino or something. Yeah, shit.
Careful, careful. Dog, let's go, dog. This is one I never caught before. Bring him up, bring him up. Careful with your line. This other line.
Yeah. Where do you want me to set him?
Over here by your light so we can get a good look at him.
Dude, look at this. Dog, is he albino or something?
He's a pallid sturgeon, dog. Let's go.
Right?
Let's go, dog. What is this? This is crazy.
Get a millio in this pallid sturgeon he caught. Fish made fart noises.
Fuck yeah. Dog. Check it out. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. You want?
Do you need anything by it like
Let's
that?
go. Hell yeah. There we go. Let's go.
That's a
Go,
nice
guys.
size, man.
Y'all want guys?
Good
Let's go.
job.
Yeah, she's beautiful, white.
Here, hold on.
Look at that.
I was trying to do the beam light
Ooh.
to tone it down a little bit. Yeah. Look at that.
Let's get a release on him.
Hey, do you want a scale or anything?
Nah.
No? Yeah, just get him back. You don't see this every day.
He does look albino though, huh?
Yeah, he is. Did you get a good pick?
Yeah, that's what he picks.
Look at that prehistoric fish.
Party of a good night.
What do you think, man?
Fuck yeah, let's go, baby.
Okay.
We good. Hell yeah.